Are you an inspiring entrepreneur, full of ideas and a burning desire to turn your dreams into reality? The path to entrepreneurship can be both exhilarating and daunting, but with the right mindset and a solid plan, you can transform your vision into a thriving business. I am building my online business, starting with YouTube as a vehicle, and I thought I would share with you what I am learning along the way. I and my wife owned a restaurant but had to close it. There is a lot I learned from owning and running that type of business. In this video, I'll draw from that experience, both good and bad, so that you can learn from my mistakes and start your own business on the right footing. In today's dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, the opportunities for entrepreneurial success have never been greater. Whether you're seeking financial freedom, the thrill of being your own boss, or the chance to make a lasting impact, the journey of starting your first business can be a life-changing experience. So, what are the 5 steps to start your first business? The first step on this exciting journey is to identify your passion and define your business idea. The foundation of a successful entrepreneurial venture lies in identifying your passion and defining a clear and compelling business idea. This initial step is very crucial as it will shape the direction, the focus, and the long-term sustainability of your enterprise. Begin by introspecting and reflecting on your unique skills, your experiences and interests. What problems are you uniquely positioned to solve? What products or services can you offer that will truly resonate with your target market? Thorough market research is essential at this stage. Analyze your industry, study your competition, and uncover the unmet needs of your potential customers. This deep dive will not only help you refine your business idea, but it will also lay the groundwork for a sustainable and scalable venture. Engage with your potential customers, industry experts, and experienced mentors to gather valuable insights and validate your business concept. This feedback will be instrumental in sharpening your idea and ensuring it aligns with the needs of your target market. But identifying your passion is just as crucial as defining your business idea. Entrepreneurship is a journey filled with many challenges, and it is your deep-rooted passion that will fuel your determination and drive you to overcome obstacles. When your business idea is rooted in your genuine passion and purpose, you will be better equipped to navigate the ups and the downs of entrepreneurship. This alignment between your personal interests and your professional aspirations will be the foundation for a fulfilling and rewarding entrepreneurial journey. Embrace this first step with unwavering focus and dedication. By identifying your passion and defining a clear and compelling business idea, you'll be well on your way to turning your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving reality. With your business idea firmly in place, the second step on your entrepreneurial journey is to develop a comprehensive business plan. This document will serve as a roadmap outlining your strategies, your financial projections, and the key milestones you will aim to achieve. A well-crafted business idea demonstrates your commitment, your understanding of the market, and your ability to execute your vision. It will also be a crucial tool in securing funding, whether from investors, lenders, or your own personal finances. Your business plan should cover a wide range of essential elements, including a detailed market analysis, a comprehensive operational plan, a robust financial strategy, and a clear marketing and sales approach. These are all essential when you are starting your own business on the right footing. Seek guidance from experienced mentors, industry experts, and financial professionals to ensure your plan is thorough and well researched. It is advisable to do the groundwork to save yourself from a lot of headache, time, and financial resources in the future. I speak from experience. Beyond just securing funding, your business plan will serve as a strategic guide throughout the life of your venture. It will help you anticipate challenges, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship. Remember, a business plan is not a static document. It should be a living, breathing blueprint that evolves alongside your business. Regularly review and update your plan to ensure it remains relevant, responsive, and aligned with your long-term goals. Investing the time and effort into developing a comprehensive business plan is a crucial step in your entrepreneurial journey. This document will not only help you secure the necessary funding, but also serve as a strategic roadmap to guide you towards sustainable success. A keynote to take away from this second step is a well-crafted business plan demonstrates your commitment, your understanding of the market, and your ability to execute your vision. It is also a crucial tool in securing funding, whether from investors, lenders, or your own personal resources. With your comprehensive business plan in place, the third step on your entrepreneurial journey is to secure the necessary capital to bring your vision to life. This may involve tapping into your personal savings, exploring small business loans, or even seek out angel investors or venture capitalists as we see on Shark Tank or Dragon's Den. Remember, funding is not just about the money. It's about finding the right partners who believe in your vision and are willing to invest in your success. Approach this process with a well-prepared pitch, a solid financial plan, and a deep understanding of the funding landscape. Explore a range of funding sources, from traditional bank loans and government-backed small business grants to crowdfunding platforms and angel investor networks. Each option has its own set of rules and terms and implications, so it's crucial to carefully evaluate the best fit for your business. Securing the right funding is not just about obtaining the necessary capital. It's about aligning your business with the right partners and resources to support its long-term growth and sustainability. The funding you secure will not only fuel your initial operations, but also provide the runway for you to scale and expand your venture. Approach the funding process with a strategic mindset. Carefully evaluate the terms, the level of control, and the long-term implications of each funding option. Navigate with confidence, leveraging your comprehensive business plan to secure the best possible deal for your venture. Securing the necessary capital is a crucial step in turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. By exploring a range of funding options and aligning your business with the right partners, you will be well on your way to building a sustainable and scalable venture. With your business plan and funding in place, it's now time to focus on the practical aspects of launching your venture. This is step 4. This involves registering your business and obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, and setting up the operations infrastructure to support your day-to-day activities. From choosing the right business structure to establishing your brand identity, this step is crucial in laying the foundation for a successful and compliant enterprise. Seek guidance from legal and financial operations to ensure you are covering all the bases and positioning your business for long-term growth. Depending on your type of business, you may need to register your company, obtain business license, secure necessary permits, and ensure compliance with local, state, and federal regulations. Thoroughly research and understand the legal landscape to avoid any potential pitfalls down the line. Beyond the legal and administrative aspects, this step also involves setting up the practical infrastructure to support your business operations. This may include securing a physical workplace, investing in the necessary equipment and technology, and establishing efficient systems and processes. Consider factors like location, accessibility, and cost when choosing your workplace. Ensure you have the right tools, software, and resources to enable your team to work efficiently and effectively. Establish clear operation procedures and policies to create a solid foundation for your business. Navigating the practical aspects of launching your venture may seem daunting, but it is a crucial step in transforming your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. By meticulously handling the legal, administrative, and operational requirements, you'll be well positioned to focus on the growth and success of your business. Finally, the fifth and perhaps the most crucial step in starting your first business is to build a strong and dedicated team. Surround yourself with individuals who share your passion, complement your skills, and are committed to the success of your venture. Whether it's hiring skilled employees, partnering with experienced advisors, or leveraging the power of outsourcing, your team will be the driving force behind your business. Invest time and resources in finding the right people, empowering them, and cultivating a culture of innovation, accountability, and mutual respect. Look for individuals who not only possess the necessary expertise, but also align with your company's values and vision. Empower your team members to take ownership of their roles, encourage open communication, and foster a collaborative environment where everyone can thrive. Building a strong, dedicated team is not just about assembling a group of talented individuals. It's about creating a synergistic ecosystem that can adapt, innovate, and drive your business forward. Your team will be instrumental in executing your strategies, identifying new opportunities, and overcoming challenges that arise along the way. Invest in the professional and personal development of your team members. Provide them with the resources, training, and support they need to excel in their roles. Remember to recognize and reward their achievements, fostering a sense of loyalty and commitment that will be crucial to the long-term success of your business. Assembling the right team is a pivotal step in your entrepreneurial journey. By surrounding yourself with individuals who share your passion, complement your skills, and are committed to your vision, you'll be well positioned to turn your dreams into a thriving reality. Starting your first business is a transformative journey. It is filled with challenges, lessons, and immense personal growth. By following these 5 essential steps, defining your business idea, crafting a comprehensive business plan, securing funding, handling the practical details, and building a dedicated team, you will be well on your way to turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. So now that you have watched this video, it is time for you to embrace the entrepreneurial spirit. Remember to stay resilient in the face of obstacles and let your vision shape the future you have always desired. The path to success is yours to forge. Take the first step today. If you got any value in this video, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Share this video with other people. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.